is Miss L. I'm here to do the science lesson for liquids, and today we're going to look at 3 liquids and compare them using our chart here. And it's okay if you don't have it. We're going to complete it together. I accidentally spilled some apple juice on it, so I'm not able to write on it. So we'll just talk through the questions, so just make sure you're paying attention and listening. If you have these things at home, you are welcome to get these out and do it with me. If not, it's okay. I will walk through everything with you. So, we chose 3 liquids, and you can choose 3 different liquids. You don't have to do it with these same 3 liquids. I just chose these 3 liquids because that's what was in my fridge. So, the first liquid I chose, which is liquid A, is our water. Liquid B is apple juice, and liquid C is milk. So what I did was I poured each of them in a clear cup so I'm able to see them and answer the questions. So the first question is, what color is it? So we're going to look at the color of all 3 of our liquids. So liquid A is our water, and if you look at water, what color is water? Yeah, it's clear. It doesn't really have a color. So you would write clear. And what we're doing right now, we're observing how things are. We're observing what color the liquid is. So make sure whenever you're doing a project, you always have to observe. So the next thing you're going to look at is liquid B, and that's our apple juice, and we're looking at the color. What color is this? You see? Yep, it's yellow. So we would write yellow. And for liquid C is our milk, and what color is our milk? Yep, it's white. So you would write the colors. If you had the paper, you would write your colors. Then the next question is, what does it smell like? So, I'm pretty sure everybody has water at home. So, if you want to, you can get a cup of water and smell it. Do you smell anything? I don't really smell anything. So, I would not write anything that I would say I didn't smell. I didn't smell it. It didn't smell like anything. Now, for apple juice, it smells like apples. And for milk, it smells like milk. It has like a thicker smell than our water. Our water has no smell. Our apple juice smells like apples, and our milk smells like dairy or milk. Can you see through it is the next question. So, can you see through it? If you look through this water, can you see the other side? Yes, I can. Same with our apple juice. Not really. I can't really see through the apple juice. And milk, I can definitely not see through the milk. Apple juice, you could say it is a little bit transparent, because if you drop something in there and you look down, you could see it. Versus if I drop something in the milk cup, you won't be able to see it. Our fourth question is, how does it feel? So this goes along with, you can dip your finger in, you can pick it up, and this works better also when you're comparing solids, liquids, and gases, because you're able to feel how each matter feels. But with liquids, they're mostly going to be runny. So all of these liquids, if I put my finger in them, they're going to be runny. And then the third question is it thick? The last question is it thick or runny? And we're going to stir the liquid to find out. So I just got a spoon. I'm going to stir it. And it kind of runs off my spoon, so it'd be runny. Same thing here. You stir, runs off my spoon. It's runny. The milk is runny, but it's a little bit thicker. So each time, our water was the clearest. It had no smell. We can see through it, and it's runny. Our apple juice, it was yellow. It smelled like apples. We can kind of see through it, and it's also runny. And then our milk, it's white. It smells like milk. You can't see through it, and it's more of a thicker concentration. So this is just talking about observing liquids. So today we observed liquids and how they are, what color they are. You can also even do, how do they taste? So if you wanted to and you're at home, you can taste some water, taste some apple juice, and taste some milk, and see how their tastes are different. So we're comparing them. So make sure whenever you're doing a science experiment or a lesson, you're thinking about these things. You're thinking, what color is it? How does it smell? How does it taste? So you're able to compare them. So you should have also watched the Matter Chatter video if you have not watched that. And now you're going to write a paragraph in your science journal about what you learned from this experiment. Good luck, guys.